beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here at this channel, I love to share with you all the ways I can help you plan a calmer life. Now in this video, this is going to be a what's in my bag for What's in My Bag Wednesday. Ow! And that is basically where I'm going to share with you a what's in my bag on a Wednesday. Don't know how many of these I'm going to do a month or anything, but I thought I would kick off my What's in My Bag Wednesday by showing you what's in my summer work bag. Now, if you're new to my channel and you don't know, I did feature my Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. Now this is the original. I'm just going to set this aside for a second here while I talk for a minute and share with you that this is the original. So I got this off the Marc Jacobs website a while back, and I love this bag. I love this so much, I want to get a bigger version. But me being the cheap girl that I am, I wanted to try out some of the dupes that I've seen online, in particular on Amazon. And so that is where this comes in. Now this is the Amazon dupe for the tote bag. I also got it in the canvas color. So I got these two here, and I like to use these as my kind of summer work bag option. And so I want to kind of go through with you. Now, in all transparency, there's no denying the quality and the actual Marc Jacobs bag, but the dupes, they can't be thrown out. They can't be thrown out entirely because they have a nice aesthetic. The denim one in particular, which is what I'm going to share, is very sturdy and strong and feels good. Whereas the canvas bag, there's definitely not a lot of structure to it, and it just feels very flimsy, but still a cute alternative nonetheless. Okay, so first things first, this is my summer work bag. Now I have a career in education, and during the summer months, things tend to slow down a bit. So what I carry now is not particularly what I'm going to carry in September, November, and so on. But I thought it'd be fun to show you what I have. So let's do that quickly. First things first is my, this is my MacBook Air, and this is not my work computer per se, but a computer I use to help me work. Just for security reasons, I'm not going to show my work computer on camera. And then what else I have in here? I have a notebook. You may have seen this before. I like to carry a notebook as well. And a pencil case. This is a Kate Spade pencil case. I got this for like 50 cents at a thrift store. And I just keep my pens and writing essentials in there. Just makes life a lot easier. And then I have my wallet. This is just a basic wallet. I love to carry a small wallet in the summertime. Again, makes life a whole lot easier. And this is my pill bottle. I keep some Tylenol, some period medicine in here. What else? Vitamins sometimes, and any medications that I have and take. And then I have some deodorant. This is by Native, and this is a new one that I'm trying, and it is the olive and green tea. It actually smells pretty good. And then I have some hand sanitizer. This is I got on Amazon. Whew, just opening that deodorant, I can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. This is my essentials case. I got this from Michael's, and it just contains all the things I need for like my office. So if I need paper clips, scissors, and so on. This was about $3. Great resource to have for work, and it comes in a variety of colors too. And then next I have one pouch here, and this pouch I got from, I think I got it used somehow, but in this pouch I just keep a bunch of random things. So gum, something like a snack, some toothpaste, a toothbrush, and a couple other medications that don't fit in my other medication, and a random eyeshadow. So this is kind of like my everything pouch. And then in this pouch, this is a Tory Burch pouch. I got this off of Poshmark, and I love it. I love the color for summer. And this is just my kind of like makeup-y, if there's a meeting, a Zoom meeting or something, and I want to look, snatched up, Gotta have the essentials in here. I also have my favorite lip gloss here, this mint lip gloss I get from Bath & Body Works. And my favorite perfume of the moment, and that is Skin by Clean. Fantastic if you like a fresh smelling perfume. That's what's up, let me tell ya. And then I have my planner, and this planner is my Moat Term Companion planner, which contains my to-do book, my brain dump book, and my Planning Calm book in case I feel inspired to plan. And then, last but not least, I have a charger cord, and this goes for my phone, and sometimes I bring my iPad as well. And this is just great. I just throw it in there. I rarely use it because I keep my devices charged, and I'm good to go. So there you have, my friends, a quick what's in my work bag featuring the tote bag, Amazon dupe style that is, in the denim, and I absolutely am really fond of this bag. It's a great summer bag, lots of room to carry all the things that you need to carry. It does come with straps as well, so that's also an option if you want to take your bag on the go. So thank you so much, my friends, for watching, and until the next video, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Happy organizing and planning, friends. Bye-bye.